doors in Texas, tax lien in Florida. We're a syndicate partner of an 86 door complex in Texarkana, Arkansas. And also always looking for private investors who would like to have their money work for them passively while they sleep. So see me if that's you. Also, as a service to the community, I am a judgment enforcer, which means that if you want a monetary judgment and the debtor has not paid you, I can help you get that money and take that burden off. So if I can help,